Hi, this is John from the Appio team. In this tutorial I will explain to you how to add contents in a video app template. The minimum contents required for the video app is one YouTube playlist, with a minimum of 6 videos. You won't be able to build app files until you provide minimum contents required. To add a playlist to the app, click the Add Playlist button. Here you have to provide a YouTube playlist link or playlist ID. Copy the playlist link from YouTube and paste it here. Click OK. Now this will load your playlist into your mobile app. Repeat this process for as many playlists as you want. Playlists added or changes made on these content pages are dynamically added or updated into your mobile application. That means you need not to publish a new version of your app onto the Play Store every time you add a new playlist or make any changes here. Isn't this a great feature? Here each card represents one playlist. This shows the number of videos in the playlist. You can deactivate or activate the playlist using this button. If you deactivate the playlist, it won't be visible in your mobile app. If you have added new videos or removed some videos from YouTube playlist, you can refresh the playlist using this button. If you want to remove the playlist from the app, you can use this button. To rearrange the sequence of playlists into your mobile app, you can simply drag and drop them here, as per your requirement. You can use this search box to search playlists by their name. To view the list of videos in the playlist, click on the title of playlist. Here you can see all videos available within the playlist. Each card represents single video. You can deactivate or activate video using this button. To delete the video, use this button. To rearrange the sequence of videos into your mobile app, you can drag and drop them here, as per your requirement. You can use this search box to search videos by their name. That's all for these pages. Keep learning, keep earning.